So children, in the first part what we have seen, miscellaneous exercise question number 2, and now we will start question number 8. The following table shows the number of male and female workers under employment guarantee scheme in villages A, B, C and D. The table is given in the question and we have to fill this information in two types of bar diagram, subdivided bar diagram and percentage bar diagram. So one by one we will see the solution of the first type of bar diagram, that is subdivided bar diagram. Now see, in villages A, B, C and D, number of females and number of males are given. So what we do, we will write down the total of all the villages first. Village A total is 375, 150 plus 225 is 375, and village B total is 400, village C total is 300 and village D has total 250. Let us fill this information in a bar graph. So now here on x-axis what we have taken, villages, name of villages A, B, C and D, and on y-axis what we have taken, number of male and female workers. This is origin, and on scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to what? 50 people. So write down here 50, then 100, 150. In this way we have written here number up to 600. These are number of male and female workers. Now in the index column what you have written here, the plain box for males and the shaded part for female workers. Now from the table one by one, the earlier table shows number of females. We will shade first, and first of all we will draw a margin of total, that is 375, and there we will show number of females. So number of females are 150. Now here total is 375. So it will be in between 400 and 350. This margin line will be 375. And number of female workers are 150. So draw this horizontal line and shade this part from 0 to 150. These are number of female workers in village A. Now let's see in village B. How many females are there in village B? 240, and total is 400. So first 400 bar we will find here, and note down and draw two dots first and then draw a bar. Then in village B number of female workers are 250. So draw a horizontal line on the marking of 250. 250 below it is 240. So total is 240. So draw 240 line over here and shade the portion. Shade the portion from 0 to 240, as number of female workers are 240. Now in village C, let's see, in village C total is 300 and number of female workers are 90. So total is 300. So here we have drawn a margin of 300 and number of female workers are 90. So 90 will come in between 100 and 50. After 50 this dark line will be what? 75, and this will be in between 100 and 75, that is 90 workers. So the second line, below second line from 100, that we will be 90. So draw the margin of 90 and then shade the portion from 0 to 90. This will be number of female workers in C village. Now see the village D. How many female workers are there? 140, and total people, total workers that is in that village is 250. Out of them 140 are female workers. So total we have to draw here 250, and out of 140 are female workers. So draw 250 total and 140 are female workers. In this way we will show a graph on a bar graph paper. Now understood? First of all you have to see what is a scale, then show the index, two boxes, that is male and female, and in this way we will shade the bars likewise. Okay children? And now the same table we will use for a percentage bar diagram. So let's see information of a percentage bar diagram. The box, the table is already given here. what we have to do, we have to find the percentage. So first of all, in village A, number of females are 150, number of males are 225. So here percentage of female we will find. The total number of female and male in village A is 375. So 150 are female. So 150 upon 375 into 100 is 40%. So we have found 40% in village A. Number of females are 40% in village A. Likewise in B also 240 are females and total is 400. So 240 upon 400 into 100 is 60%. Then in C village, number of females are 90. So 90 upon 300. 300 is what? 90 plus 210 total. So 90 upon 300 into 100 is 30%. Then in village D, 140 are female and total is 250. So 140 upon 250 into 100 is 56%. Now let's show these percentage of village A, village B, village C and village D in a percentage bar diagram. So first village A is 40%. Now first of all here on X, we will draw first X axis, then we will draw Y axis. On X axis you will take villages and on Y axis percentage of number of females and males. Here we will write percentage of number of females and males, and in the index box again plain box is for males and the shaded for females. So scale on Y axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. Then A, B, C and D villages. So let's see in A village how much percentage. First of all, in percentage bar diagram, every bar is of 100 units that you have to draw. Each bar is of 100 units. From that 100 units, we will have to show percentage of female. So in A village, what is the percentage? 40% in A village. So let's show. This is the 40 numbers. So 40 marking line is there. So 40% we will join here the horizontal line and shade it in village A. And in village B, how much percentage? 60%. So in village B, let's find 60% and draw a horizontal line and then shade it. In village C, how much percent? In village C, it is 30%. So now village C has 30% of female, so 30 here. So we will draw again one more horizontal line and shade the percentage of female workers. In village D, what is the percentage in village D? 56%. So where to show? Now D village have 56% of female workers. So 56 means in between 60 and 50 there is one line. This between line is what? 55, and above that the second line is 56. So draw this line, horizontal line on 56, then shade the portion from 0 to 56. This will be the percentage of female workers in village D. So in this way we will show the percentage bar diagram as well as the subdivided bar diagram. Okay children, and now next day, as we have finished the miscellaneous exercise also of chapter 11, that is statistic, the chapter is over here, and in the next period I will give you class test. Thank you.